10 gig hard drive?
It is hella old.
And it's spinning?
It is barely spinning.
Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. I'm currently at LTX 2019 and today I'm on a mission. I have teamed up with Team Group to try to find people who don't have SSDs in their system and give them away. So you may be wondering how I'm gonna do this. If I just tell people I'm giving away SSDs, who would say no to it? I really want to find people who really need it in their systems, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be posing a fake survey. I'll be walking up to people and asking what kind of storage they have in their system. I'll tell them it's for an unrelated video, and if anyone tells me they still have a mechanical drive, they get one of these. These are Team Group's GX2 SSDs, 128 gigabytes. So let's give away some SSDs. What kind of storage do you have on your computer?
I have solid state.
You have solid state? How big?
Terabyte.
1 terabyte? Nice. What was your name?
Mitchell.
Mitchell, I'm Danny. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
500 SSD and 1 terabyte hard drive.
What was your name?
Eric.
I'm Danny. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
256 gig running my OS
For the SSD? Okay.
Then another 1 terabyte for all my games SSD.
Perfect.
Another 3 terabytes for all my photos and stuff.
What was your name?
Eric.
Eric. I'm Danny. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I'm all SSD.
You're all SSD? Okay.
I have like 1 mechanical drive. It's like,
Between mine, what do you have in them? Because I don't know what you put in them.
oh, you have like a.
Did you give him an SSD?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I
good.
don't totally have him given out. He got a new computer for his birthday, so I took out his mechanical drive
Okay.
and gave him SSDs.
This is Xavier and TJ, right?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Everyone has SSDs so far. I gotta find like a little kid or something who was given a crappy PC system.
1 terabyte SSD.
1 terabyte SSD. That's all?
And more
And more hard drives. Spinning drive. Okay. What are you?
I have a 120 SSD, a 240 SSD, and a 1 terabyte hard drive because I can't make a choice on an expensive one.
Okay.
I have a 1 terabyte M.2 SSD
Okay.
and two terabyte hard drives.
Nice. And then what were your names?
Tom?
Tom?
Ben and
Ben,
Sean.
and Sean. Nice to meet all of you. Thanks for taking the survey.
NVMe as my boot. I
Okay.
have a 500 SATA M.2. I'm running a 3 terabyte Seagate mechanical, and then I have an external 8 terabyte USB 3 drive as well.
Okay.
Mechanical.
Now, does she have a system of her own?
Mom says no.
Mom says
Not
no?
yet. We'll get there. Maybe next year.
Maybe next year?
Yeah. So
Okay.
we'll see.
When we get you a system, we're gonna need to make sure you have an SSD. Would you like to have this SSD to put into your system?
Team group. That's a good
Team Group?
yeah.
Yep. So it's a smaller drive, but for her uses, hopefully a boot drive as well as.
Actually, I have a and I forgot I have a 120 PNY as well.
You can run them in RAID.
Yes, I know.
Would you like
You
this?
mean she can run them in RAID when she gets the
Yeah,
time
yeah,
comes.
she can, you're gonna make her do it herself, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, what was your name?
Lorelai.
Lorelai, I'm Danny. It's nice to meet you.
Hey, Danny. Daniel.
Daniel, can I get this hit?
Yeah, there you
here
go.
we go. All right. My channel is called Nerd on a Budget, and I focus. You've seen me around
I've seen you.
somewhere?
Okay,
Okay. It was nice meeting you, Daniel.
No, it was an absolute pleasure, Danny. Thank
All
you.
right.
Have fun, man.
I have 2 actually NVMe Team Group drives. I don't know the exact model names, but they're 500 gigs each, and I have them in RAID 0.
Okay.
So kind of risky, yeah, but really fast. I think like 4,500 megabytes per second, like pretty insane reads and writes.
What about for mechanical drives? What's your setup?
I don't even have mechanical drives in that.
What?
Yeah, it's just straight up 1 terabyte.
Oh, wow.
You know, yeah.
Okay, baller. My name was Danny, by the way, and what was yours?
Thanks, Craig.
Nice to meet you, Greg. Would you guys like to be in a YouTube video for a quick second? Would you mind being in one?
Which YouTube channel is that?
So my channel is called Nerd on a Budget.
Sure, why not, I guess.
Okay.
You have to pay for it?
No, it's free, don't worry. Okay, I try to help people save money, actually. So, do you know what kind of storage you have in your computer right now?
128 gigabyte SSD.
Okay.
And a 1 terabyte hard drive.
Okay, and what do you use your computer for?
Mainly like some light gaming.
Light gaming?
Like maybe
Okay.
Rocket League or even Roblox for crying out loud.
Don't worry, man. Just play whatever makes you happy. Don't let people judge you. But okay.
Right.
Is your SSD getting full by chance? Because 128 isn't the biggest. It isn't.
Yes,
Okay.
I have 6 gigabytes left on it.
6 gigabytes left. Oh man.
Yeah.
We gotta fix that. So I'm actually working with Team Group to try to find people who could use solid state storage.
Right.
And putting this in your system would effectively double it. So.
Right.
This is yours to keep.
Yeah, SSD, 128 gigabytes.
Yeah, so this is yours on behalf of me and Team Group. I hope it'll help you and your system out.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. And then my name is Danny, and what was yours?
Matthew.
Matthew, nice to meet you. And then what was your name?
Nick.
Nick, nice to meet you. So it looks like I have to change the video slightly. People who also have small solid state drives, I think adding another one in there to help alleviate it and to just give them a little bit more space to put more games and programs on it, I'll give them that as well, because apparently nobody around here, I haven't run into them yet, has no SSD. I've run into a couple of people who either don't have systems or a couple of people who have small SSDs, which when I give them this one, it effectively doubles their storage. So we'll just see what we'll keep on finding as we go through the convention as well as the next day.
I have a 1 terabyte SSD.
1 terabyte?
NVMe that I got off of Amazon.
Okay.
He has 100 gigabyte SSD from Kingston, or 120 gig.
Okay.
No, 240 gig SSD from Kingston.
And a terabyte hard drive.
Normal 1 terabyte hard drive.
Okay.
Cold storage.
What was your name?
Gabe.
Gabe?
Yep.
Nice to meet you. Sorry, my camera's in my right hand, so I gotta shake with the left.
Yeah, I was waiting to meet you.
Gabe in Austin. Wait, you were?
Yeah, I knew who you were.
You know who I am?
Yeah, they're on a budget.
I'm a content creator. And I'm going around asking attendees of this event what kind of storage they have in their systems. Are you both into PC gaming?
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
Yeah, I want to build one. Saving up.
You guys are saving up. You're interested in building a PC, right? Is that why you're here specifically? To like learn more, or?
No, just a fan of the channel.
You're just a fan of Linus' channel, and you don't even have gaming PCs yet? Okay, perfect. What I'm actually doing is I'm trying to find people who don't have SSDs in their system, the solid state drives, and you guys don't even have systems. But I do have 2 solid state drives that I'm trying to give away, and I would like to give it to you guys for when you guys build your computers. You have a nice little start.
Okay, thanks. Right on, man.
Yeah, so this is a collaboration I'm doing with a company called Team Group. So these are 128 gigabyte SSDs. They'll work really well for putting your operating system on there so that it'll boot up really nice and snappy. And you can probably fit a couple of games on there. And then you'll probably have a bigger hard drive for like your Steam library and stuff like that. Yeah, but what were your names?
I'm Chris.
Chris, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And then what's your name?
Blake.
Blake.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, good luck with your guys' build.
Right on. Thanks.
I have a WD Black 480 gig SSD.
Okay, 480
and,
SSD.
Another like Kingston SSD.
Okay.
And then I have a 4 terabyte hard drive.
Okay.
A 1 terabyte HDD, and then 240, I think, or 256.
It's a 256, I think.
Okay, is that a gaming laptop as well?
Yeah, it's a StreamScar 3.
Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so I was trying to survey a convention like this where everyone is like a PC enthusiast.
Yeah.
Who is still on spinning hard drives and who is on SSDs?
Oh no, man. You gotta get an SSD,
Yeah,
man.
you gotta get an SSD, right? So
It's like game changing.
Thank you for taking the survey though.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, and what was your name?
Sahil.
Sahil?
Yeah.
All right, nice to meet you. Sorry, I gotta shake with my left hand just because
No
the camera's
worries,
in the
no
right.
worries.
And what was your name?
Fatima.
Fatima?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. All right.
I have an M.2 SSD, 250 gigs.
250 gigs, okay.
A 250 gig hard drive.
Okay. So you could use more storage, right?
Yeah.
Would you like this SSD right here?
Yeah.
So this is a Team Group SSD. It's 128 gigabytes. It's a little bit smaller, but it works as a boot drive and it will fit at least one of, I don't think there's many games above 100 gigabytes.
Yeah.
But it sounds like you only have around 500 gigabytes across your system right now. Do you have any SATA ports left that you could use this?
Yeah.
All right, sure. So here you go.
Thank
That's
you
all
so
yours
much.
from me and Team Group. And what was your name?
Josh.
Josh. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And then what was your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Yeah, no problem.
I believe you have a 512 gig 970 Pro.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Samsung high-end, okay.
He knows.
What do you have in your system?
I have a 512 gig NVMe SSD and also a 1 terabyte SATA SSD.
Okay, nice. So you're pretty hooked up. What were your names?
Jeff.
Jeff, all right.
I'm Bobby.
Nice to meet you. And Bobby, I like your green shirt, by the way.
Thank you.
And thanks for taking the survey.
All right, no problem.
All right.
Thanks.
Would you two like to be in a video really quickly?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right, so I'm going around the convention asking attendees what kind of storage they have in their systems. Do you both have gaming PCs?
No, I don't.
You don't? Okay, but are you into gaming?
Not really, no.
Okay.
I am into just PCs, so.
Oh, you are into just PCs. Okay, so, but you don't have a PC?
I do have a PC, but it's hella old right
It's hecka old. Oh, perfect.
It is hella old.
Okay, so what kind of storage do you have in your system?
So I have a Samsung 840 Pro 256 gig SSD.
Okay.
That I bought a while ago, and it's still been serving me very well.
Yeah, 800 series, pretty old. Okay.
But then 256 gig, not quite big enough for the whole game library and everything. So
Okay.
I also bought 3 2TB Western Digital Black hard drives that I have in a RAID 5 array.
Okay.
So 4 terabytes of storage. They're 7200 RPM drives. So in RAID 5, actually pretty good read performance. So load times in games still pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what, in your really old PC, what do you have?
Oh God. Okay, I have a 10 gig hard drive and
10 gig hard drive?
it is hella old.
And it's spinning?
It's barely spinning.
Still
it's gonna
works,
click a
that's
death when you like boot it up.
Okay.
But then like it goes away and it
Okay.
still works. But like, oh my gosh, it's scary. Like when you boot it up, it's like, you know, actuator like restarts.
Okay.
And it's like, oh boy, is it gonna work?
So you might just lose all your stuff if it dies?
Oh yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
But I back it up on the cloud because it's so tiny.
Okay.
So there you go. And a 2 gig SSD. Oh boy.
2 gigabyte SSD.
It is tiny. But yeah, it is old and I need to upgrade when I get more money.
Okay, so you need to upgrade when you have more money. So what if I told you right now that I would give you this SSD because you need an upgrade?
Oh, I would be so happy.
Okay, well this is yours.
Oh, thank you.
I'm working with Team Group. It's me and Team Group working together to try to find people at the convention who don't have SSDs yet, and you're a perfect candidate for it.
I'm actually a good candidate for that thing.
Yeah, so now that has like more storage than everything you have in yours right now, and it's solid state. So
Oh, thank you so
hopefully
much.
that helps you out.
That does actually help me out
Okay.
so much.
What was your name?
I'm Jess.
Jess, I'm Danny.
Nice to
And then
meet
what was your
you.
name?
Brian.
Brian, nice to meet you. Thank you for taking the survey, and then I hope you enjoy the SSD.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
1 terabyte, 512, and 128 SSDs, and a 3 terabyte hard drive.
Okay, nice.
My PC's on my garbage. I got a 4 terabyte spinner, a 1 terabyte spinner, and then like a 240 SSD.
Okay.
Like a long time ago.
Solid state, 500 gigabytes.
Are you all three together?
Yeah.
Do you all have your own gaming PCs?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so what are you using for your storage?
I've got a 240 gig solid state drive.
Okay.
And I've got 2 hard drives. One's a terabyte, one's 350 gigs.
So what was your name again?
Micah.
Micah, nice to meet you. I'm Danny. And then what was your name?
Ben.
I have 128 SSD.
Okay.
And 1 terabyte hard drive.
Okay, gotcha. So your SSD is, so it's in like the 120-ish range.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that thing's getting pretty full?
Yeah.
You put games on it? Okay, well, what I'm actually doing is I'm finding people who could use a solid state drive and giving it to them.
Really?
Yeah, so this is from Team Group, and I'm teaming up with them to find people in the event that could use this. And it sounds like you could easily double your solid state storage right now.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
No problem. What was your name again?
Kyler.
Kyler, I'm Danny. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy, you guys.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I got some M2 drives.
Okay.
Corsair 512.
All right.
I've got a Intel SSD.
Okay.
Not sure what model it is.
Yeah.
And what's the other one? A Samsung 960 Pro.
Okay. So you got a lot of SSDs going on in your system.
Yeah, and some just 2 terabyte.
Okay.
General storage.
Gotcha. Now, what do they have in their systems?
They've also got just M2 SSDs. Just one stick each. Yeah.
Okay, one stick
One's
each.
a 950 Pro, 512.
512.
And then the other one's got a Corsair 2 terabyte M2.
2 terabyte SSD. Wow, you guys have an awesome dad. He's hooked you guys up.
They like their computers, don't they?
My name is Danny, by the way.
Yeah, Danny. Anthony.
Anthony?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What was your name? Luke. Luke,
yeah.
And then what was your name?
Jeff.
Jeff, okay.
I recently picked up my first NVMe drive. That thing is fast.
Okay.
So even though it's one of those budget ones, like only with the 2 PCIe lanes, it still flies. It's incredible fast.
Okay. Yeah. And then you already had other SSDs, I'm guessing, but it wasn't NVMe? Or?
I switched from a SATA Crucial, like 275 gig SSD.
Okay.
So it was a big upgrade.
Gotcha.
500 gigabyte, 7200 RPM hard drive.
Okay.
A 500 500 gigabyte WD blue.
So you have about a terabyte of space between the two. Okay. So I'm actually asking people this survey because I'm trying to give away these SSDs. They're smaller in capacity, but would you have a use for a 128 gigabyte SSD, whether it be for your system or an upcoming system build you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is yours. It's on behalf of me and Team Group. What was your name, by the way?
Cole.
Cole? I gotta shave with my left hand just because the camera's in the right. Cole, and then
Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
I have a 256 gigabyte SSD for boot, and then I have a 1 terabyte hard drive.
Okay.
Yeah, don't ask me the brands, I totally forgot.
Okay, no, that's fine. What was your name?
Luis.
Luis, I'm Danny. Nice to meet you. And then what was your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, nice to meet you. And thank you for taking the survey. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
All right.
Thank you very
enjoy
much.
the rest of your event.
All right, see you later.
Do you both have gaming PCs?
I'm about to build one.
Yeah, I haven't had one in a while now.
Okay.
I need to build another one, but it's the budget. That's the problem.
It's the budget. Okay. So
so that actually fits with what you do, though.
Okay. So what do you have in yours? Oh no, you have.
What is the hard drive that I have? It's been like getting me all of the parts to it.
Right now, you've got a 1 terabyte Seagate spinning drive.
Which was actually given to me by a friend who was throwing it away.
Okay.
And we're
perfect.
And we're looking to put probably about a 250 gig SSD alongside that as a boot drive.
Okay.
But it's expensive. It's all expensive.
It is expensive, right? So you don't have an SSD, and then when you're gonna build one, but you're still saving money, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what if I told you I have this SSD right here that you can have to put into your system?
Well, that would be amazing.
This is for you to have, and it's on behalf of me and Team Group. I teamed up with them to come to this event, find people who could use SSDs, and just hand them out.
Appreciate it.
Awesome, yeah.
What was your name?
I'm Nix.
Nix. That's a cool name. I like that. Nix. Like N-I-X?
Yes.
Okay, and then what was your name?
Ricky Bobby.
Ricky Bobby?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for taking the survey, and I hope you enjoy the SSD.
Thanks a lot.
And there you have it. I gave away all the SSDs I had on hand. I want to give a quick thanks again to Team Group for working with me to make this video possible, and I want to thank the whole LTX crew for having us here as featured creators. And yeah, let me know what you thought of the video in the comments down below. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.